Okay, so if you could give us a little overview about the vision for this project.
All right, well, this project really came about because I purchased the existing Viewpoint retail that exists on Peachtree as part of the condominiums above. And the retail, for the most part, is vacant at this hour. We have Sprint as one tenant. We also own the Starbucks, which is on the corner of 7th and Peachtree. So the idea is to take the Starbucks parcel, which had an apartment building that has been demolished, and incorporate that parcel, build a new Starbucks and a 35-unit plus or minus apartment building on top of the Starbucks and some retail, and then bring that development and redevelop, reskin, reface the existing Viewpoint retail as it comes down Peachtree, turns the corner on the Sprint space, and actually turns the corner, goes down 6th Street. So the idea is to take from 7th Street half the way down the block towards Juniper, up Peachtree, down Peachtree, and around, and go back down 6th Street halfway to then meet Jim Border's new project, the Sky House, the 300 plus units that are going on Juniper Street.
So is that to make it sort of uniform in terms of its look or identity?
Not necessarily uniform. If you look at the Viewpoint today, it's really just a concrete facade, and so what we need is to really add some street presence to it, some architectural detail, bringing out awnings, but more, textures, maybe some wood, maybe some more stone, etc., to really activate it on the street.
Now, in the meeting, you said that, or the architect said that it's going to be mainly, totally 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom, and that there's a glut of 1-bedroom where there's more demand for 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom.
Yeah, well, let me qualify that. I think in this property, this is more of a boutique, lower unit count, and what we're hearing from the folks that lease the units that there is a lack of 2 and 3 bedrooms out there, especially in the higher end, the boutique. I would say there's a glut of 1s, but there's not, from what we're hearing, not a lot of 2s and 3s, especially more in the boutique area. And this building, since it's so small, it's going to be a real high-finished building. It'll be more of a boutique type building instead of just a pure high-rise.
So what are the amenities going to be in that building?
Well, when you get to an apartment building for rent, granite countertops. You just look at the appliances, higher ceilings than a typical for rent apartment. 10-foot, 9.5-foot, 10-foot ceilings versus 8-foot or 9-foot in apartment buildings. So a mixture of ceiling heights, spaces, closets. Other amenities like that, and roof terraces, maybe a meeting space or a space to up on top of the roof.
And what do you anticipate the rents to be?
We're not there yet. We don't really know. We have to listen to the market. We've heard of. We're doing a market survey right now. We're actually picking the leasing management company. So it's a little preliminary. We really don't know a budget for the project yet, and we really don't know what the rents will perform out to be. But it'll be certainly competitive in the market.
So in terms of total cost of construction and build out, do you have an estimate? Or?
We don't have an estimate right now because, again, there's really 3 component parts. You've got the new building and the new development. You've got the new facade on the Viewpoint, and then you have the 6th Street piece. So they're all 3. They're separate component parts, but they all link together. So we're literally today trying to break out the cost of all the engineering, the architect, the treatments, etc., to break them apart. So we really don't have a budget at this hour, but we will. Probably the next 10 days we should have it.
And in terms of residential housing, be it purchase or rentals, there's been lots of talk over the last couple of years about where the market's going, and what do you project, or what do you see?
Frankly, a real tightening of the market, especially in the rental housing market. There's a lot of demand for that now. We did talk to the folks, and they said there's a demand for the 2s and 3 bedrooms, more of a higher end product. A lot of this product, I think, is being built for future conversions into condos. So nobody's building condos today. You can't even finance. So I think a lot of this product is being built, and maybe this product would be built for a potential future conversion, but that's down the road.
Okay. All right. Thank you.